2025 Dodge Ram brings a bold step into the future while still honoring its iconic past. Dodge has managed to blend tradition with innovation, presenting a pickup truck that is both rugged and refined, powerful yet efficient. The 2025 model is set to redefine what it means to be a modern truck, staying true to the brand's heritage of performance, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Visually, the 2025 Dodge Ram carries the muscular design language that has defined its predecessors. With a wide, aggressive stance, it features sculpted lines, a prominent grille, and high-intensity LED headlights that give it an unmistakable road presence. The exterior has a blend of old-school ruggedness and sleek modern touches that allow it to stand out on both highways and dirt trails. A newly designed rear bumper with integrated sensors and sleek tailgate design gives it an updated, more refined look while retaining that utilitarian toughness. Under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Ram offers an array of powertrains designed to meet every need. From the classic Hemi V8 to new hybrid options, this truck offers a perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. The V8 engine delivers robust towing capabilities, a hallmark of the Ram's utility, while the hybrid version offers improved fuel economy, catering to modern sensibilities about sustainability. With an upgraded suspension system and enhanced traction control, the truck promises a smooth ride both on and off-road, an essential characteristic for those who expect versatility from their vehicles. Inside, the 2025 Ram focuses heavily on comfort and technology. The cabin is a blend of high-quality materials, with leather and wood trims available in select trims, giving it a premium feel. The centerpiece of the interior is the large, customizable touchscreen, which allows users to control everything from navigation to climate settings. The truck also boasts improved driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced collision warnings, making it a safer choice for families and long-distance travelers alike. What truly sets the 2025 Dodge Ram apart, however, is its ability to offer something for everyone. Whether you need a workhorse capable of towing heavy loads or a stylish ride for weekend adventures, the Ram meets those needs with ease. With a focus on connectivity, performance, and user experience, the 2025 model stands as a clear example of Dodge's commitment to the future while respecting its legacy.